NVIDIA just built an AI that thinks about what it hears. Not just speech, but music, conversations, even ambient noise. And yes, it's fully open source. But they're not alone. French AI start Mistral just fired back, dropping two powerful new audio models. That crushed the big names on both performance and price. Then Boston University went rogue. They trained a medical AI on thousands of hours of real science podcasts, not textbooks. Now it explains health like a human, not like a machine. Google? They quietly launched a multilingual embedding model with insane accuracy across 100+ languages. Amazon? Their new AI coding assistant turns plain English prompts into ready-to-run code instantly. Anthropic's Claude? It's now analyzing live financial data from sources like PitchBook and Snowflake in real time. Over in Korea, NCAI released a brand new vision language model that reads charts, images, and data better than anything they've made before. Even Zurich, Malaysia just launched an AI assistant to support their agents in the field. And while all that's happening, OpenAI's former CTO, Mira Morati, just raised $2 billion to build a whole new kind of AI company, with their first product dropping soon. Let's break it all down. First up, NVIDIA's Audio Flamingo 3. And this changes everything. This isn't just speech recognition. It understands sound deeply, music, background noise, complex conversations. It's powered by a new encoder, AF Whisper, based on Whisper v3, but smarter, faster, and fully unified. Everything, from dialogue to ambient noise, flows through a single 1,280-dimensional space. Old models used separate systems for each audio type. That made things messy, inconsistent. But this? It's one clean pipeline, one model. To handle it all, it can process 10 minutes of audio in one go. It follows multi-speaker conversations, and it even responds in real time, with built-in text-to-speech. But here's what really makes it shine. It can think through its answers. Trained on a dataset called AF Think, with over 250,000 examples. It doesn't just answer, it shows you how it got there. It scored a 73.14 on the MMU benchmark. It beat Gemini 2.5 Pro in long audio reasoning, and it slashed Libri speech error rates to just 1.57%. It's also fast, replies in under 6 seconds. That's nearly 9 seconds faster than Quinn 2.5. And here's the best part. NVIDIA released everything. The model weights, the training code, and 4 powerful datasets, including Audio Skills XL and Long Audio XL. It's not just a model, it's a full toolkit for anyone building the future of audio intelligence. But the audio revolution doesn't stop there. Mistral, the French AI disruptor, just released Voxtral, their first sound-focused model family. And of course, it's open source. 2 sizes are out, mini for efficient builds, and small for premium level accuracy. Both models handle a 32,000 token context, understand spoken prompts in English, Hindi, German, and more, and plug them directly into backend API calls. And the price? Just 1/10 of a cent per audio minute. That's way cheaper than Whisper Large v3. According to Mistral's own data, Mini performs on par with Gemini 2.5 Flash, but at a fraction of the cost. And small? It reduces errors even further. For companies operating across multiple languages and markets, this might be the sweet spot between big tech black boxes and painful DIY builds. Pricing remains steady, just 15 cents per million tokens. And yes, there's a free weekend tier perfect for rapid prototyping. Google says batch APIs are coming, and they're teasing multimodal embeddings that cover both code and images. In plain terms, massive RAG upgrades are on the horizon. But hold up, Amazon just entered the chat. Their new tool, Kira, is not just another AI coding assistant. It's a game changer. It turns natural language prompts into fully tested, production-ready code. Most AI tools can spit out snippets. Kira? It builds entire software features, complete with specs, tests, clean architecture, and smart sequencing. Say you type, add product reviews. Kira instantly drafts a full spec using the ERS format, builds data flow diagrams, maps your database, wires up API endpoints, everything. And as you work, it breaks the whole project into bite-sized, logically ordered tasks. And here's where it gets wild. Every time you hit save or commit, agent hooks silently spring into action. They auto-generate documentation, run your tests, optimize your code, and even clean up after you. Delete a file, it clears the leftovers. There's also an integrated AI chat panel. Need help debugging, tweaking, or improving code? Ask it. And unlike some black box AI, Kira keeps everything transparent and fully reversible. Supports every major programming language, and it's already live in public preview, free. Enterprise features like security hardening and smart scaling, coming soon. Now let's talk about Anthropic, and why Claude is no longer just your meeting notes assistant. Anthropic just made Claude financially fluent. Their new bundle, combining Claude 4, Claude Code, and Claude Enterprise, is designed for serious finance pros. Real-time data pipes plug it into Box, PitchBook, Snowflake, Databricks, S&P Global. So instead of reading week-old CSVs, Claude now crunches live financial data. Ask it. Compare semiconductor ETFs with Chinese renewables over the last 6 quarters. Claude will actually fetch and analyze the most current numbers. Kate Jensen from Anthropic calls it a tailored Claude for enterprise finance, complete with higher usage limits, onboarding tools, and it's already live on AWS Marketplace, with Google Cloud support just around the corner. Across the ocean, Korea's NCAI, the research wing in Soft, just unveiled its strongest vision language models yet, Varco Vision 2.0. This release includes 4 open-source models. The headliner, a 14 billion parameter beast, supported by 2 1.7 billion variants, one optimized for OCR, and a specialized video embedding model. These systems can parse text and images simultaneously, understand complex tables, charts, and even juggle multiple images at once. Benchmarks? The big model outperformed in TernVL 3.14b, Ovis US 2.16b, and Quen 2.5 VL 7b in English and Korean visual comprehension and OCR. NCAI's director, Lee Yensu, says the goal is clear. Keep Korea in the multimodal AI race while giving media, gaming, and fashion industries homegrown firepower. Now let's shift gears. Zurich, Malaysia just gave insurance a high-tech makeover. They launched ZBuddy, an AI assistant built for agents. It lives inside internal tools and handles everything from policy questions to claims and coverage gaps, all in real time. Ran Singh, the chief data officer, says ZBuddy isn't just a tool, it's a trust enabler. Next steps include automated quotes and guided customer journeys. Fune Hao from distribution says ZBuddy helps agents focus on the moments that matter, aka closing deals without drowning in PDFs. And now, the biggest story of the week. Mira Murati, the former CTO of OpenAI, is back and making noise. After steering OpenAI through the wild 2023 leadership storm, she quietly exited and launched her own AI company, Thinking Machines Lab. Now she secured a jaw-dropping $2 billion funding round, and it's not from random investors. We're talking a powerhouse lineup: Andreessen Horowitz, NVIDIA, AMD, Excel, ServiceNow, Cisco, Jane Street. This is deep tech royalty. Her mission? To build a new kind of multimodal AI, one that understands both language and vision the way humans do, through conversation and perception. The first product is dropping in the next few months, including an open-source version for researchers and startups. Murati wants AI to be human first, natural, accessible, and not locked inside walled gardens. With $2 billion behind her, this isn't just ambition. It could be a paradigm shift. So now the big question: will Murati's new company reshape the landscape, or is this just another round of hype? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Smash that like button. Subscribe for more deep dives, and share this if it blew your mind. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.